Okay, this is dedicate my own brother. It was first January birthday, so I didn't have time. So I get a time, so I do play with violin. Happy birthday song. So once again, happy birthday, brother. So this song for dedicate for you. Happy birthday with violin. Happy birthday. So happy belated birthday. This song for you. Happy birthday with violin.